Today in this video I will show you how to do color correction in overexposed outdoor portrait photo. You can see that the red mark in the photo is the overexposed area. In the beginning, click on the basic section. Increase tint to +9. Reduce the exposure to -1.14. Reduce highlights to -77. Reduce white to -26. Next, click on tone curve. Do the same setting as I am doing in the video. Next, click on the HSL color section. Click on Hue. Reduce yellow to -13. Increase green to +53. The Hue section is finished. Next, click on saturation. Reduce yellow to -15. Increase green to +30. The saturation section is finished. Next, click on luminance. Increase orange to +5. Increase green to +35. Reduce blue to -25. Next, click on the color grading section. From the color grading, click on the shadow icon. From here, increase the hue to +45. Increase saturation to +11. Next, click on the highlights icon. Increase the hue to 220. Increase shade to +11. Next, click on the detail section. Increase the sharpness amount to 101. Increase the radius to 1.5. Next, click on the calibration section. Reduce the hue from the red primary to -5. Reduce the hue from the green primary to -11. Reduce the hue from the blue primary to -11. The photo looks a little dark, so we need to fix it. Click on the basic section again. Increase the exposure a bit to -0.53. Now look better than before. Thanks for watching the video.